Afternoon. Holy shit, it's Monday. It's 5 to 1. On Monday, it's Labor Day. I'm sat in the car. You're probably wondering where the hell I'm going. I'm going to Home Depot. Going to get a new lawnmower. Now, I know what you're thinking, Rooster, you're from fucking Queens. I know. Okay? I didn't grow up with a lawn. I'm from Jamaica, Queens. Okay? I didn't grow up with a lawn. I didn't know what one was. I seen them in movies. I'm like, oh, it probably grows that way. I don't know. How do I know? But now I have one. And we have a 4-stroke, big pull string lawnmower for not even that much space. So it's Labor Day, everything's on sale. We're gonna get one of those 18-volt battery Ryobi lawnmowers, and y'all are going for the ride. But what I wanted to do was cut this one video, this one presentation into 2 videos, right? So you're gonna come with me for the ride to Home Depot. We're gonna pick it up, come back. I'll probably put the hat clip on to actually mow the lawn, but that'll be an entirely different video compared to the one that I want to talk about on the drive that you won't see on the lawnmower video. Does that make sense? I know what I'm doing. Like, I'm figuring it out. Let's put the belt on. I don't even know where Home Depot is. I've passed it. I've been there, but I don't know how to get there. Oh, there's my lawnmower. BRB. Alright, lawnmower's in hand. Where was I? I gotta turn off the screen going to sleep thing. It makes me nervous, even though I know it's still recording. Mower time. Oh, I gotta put all my stuff back in the trunk. Put her down here. Do I want to do all that now? Yeah, I might as well. God damn it. Because I know I'm not gonna want to do it tomorrow. Tomorrow's a work day. Outstanding. Yep. Doesn't look terribly difficult to assemble. Close my door before bugs get in there. Battery goes in there. Easy. Easy. Pretty sure I do. I got a charger for it anyway. I should look at the picture on the box so I can see how this bag goes on, because I am not collecting mulch. I have a leaf blower. It's right there. I'll blow his ass in the street. Back to the manual in a minute. Oh yeah, look, pictures. What is a mulching plug? Do I not need that? Anyway. Oh, does the bag go inside here? No? Maybe? Like a little? Oh yeah. Flamingos are flamingoing. I don't feel like this needs to be in here then. If I'm gonna catch it. Oh bang! Hell yeah! Look at that shit. Oh yeah? And then what happened? Starting. It doesn't have a gauge on it, but that will be the key. It's a picture of a key. I don't even know what it looks like underneath. I feel like I should look at that. Oh yeah, there's some blades under there. All right. What about sticks and everything? Bro, I don't care. They're not my sticks. What about your height? Do you set your height? Nope. My holster's empty. How could I, of all people, forget my gun? And my beverage. I mean, it's not self-propelled, but I'm not a bitch about my shit. That was easy. Over here. So that's where the HOA gets up to, and this is my fence line. It's kind of easy. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What, you gonna keep it for compost? Fuck no. That's why I have trash cans. You can't just throw it in the trash. Yes, the fuck I can. That's better. I think the battery's died. Nope. Oh, battery's dead. Yep. Got most of it. It's okay. Charge the battery up, come out and do some more. is a mowed ass lawn. Put you back. Crouch down under the trees. Dump ye oldie mulch. This little bag holds a lot. I'm sure it's fine. You have to compost that. No, I don't. And now, since that one does the trick,